In this video, I will show you how to remove permanently these recent files in PowerPoint. So click on Options, Access option, click on File, then Options. Here, click on Advanced and underneath Display Setting, you will see show this number of recent presentations. Make it 0 to remove and to delete recent files in PowerPoint. Also make 0 show this number of unpinned recent folder. Now click on OK. Now, as we can see now, these all recent files are clear. So thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you. Share, like and subscribe this channel.